stage to deliver the inaugural address is the director of the critically acclaimed and commercially successful film, Kadalai Sodappavadu Eppadi.
The existential question of mankind.
Good evening to the dignitaries on stage, and hi guys. I hope you guys are having fun today. And I get a little confused when I'm addressing a gathering of engineering students because I get confused whether I should talk as a filmmaker or a dropped out engineering student. So I actually joined my engineering in SSN. And unfortunately, I got good marks in my 12th and I joined engineering and I dropped out in the second year. But I think the mistake was not dropping out of engineering, the mistake was joining engineering in the first place because I didn't want to do engineering. But all you guys are here and I'm sure and I know that you guys know what you're doing and you know the reason you're here and you're really passionate about what you're doing. So the first decision of what you need to do in life, that clarity, once you have it, it makes so much of a difference as to what you're doing and how you're doing what you're doing. So the fact that you like what you're doing makes a huge difference, and you can be much better in whatever you're doing if you like it really. And my film is released now and it's doing well, and since the release and even just before the release, I've been going to a lot of colleges lately. I've been more regular to colleges these days than when I was studying in my college, I think. So it's been wonderful meeting a lot of students, and it's always very. I feel very happy to meet students in person, and especially when I made a film on college life, and the best way and the best people to talk to and get feedback from and get response from directly is college students, and it's always exhilarating to meet college students in person, especially during culturals when you're all in your high. I think culturals make a college complete, and definitely culturals make a college student's life more complete, I think, because you go through a lot of things, and it's like packing in all your college life into those 3 days where you go through all sorts of emotions and happiness, and when it gets over you're sad, and when you're going through it, when you're handling it, when you're managing it. I see students getting right into the nitty-gritties of handling an event, and you get to learn a lot of things, you get to meet a lot of people, and I think intra-college culturals, between the department, it gives you another feeling, a sort of a friendly competition. It's even more intense sometimes than when you are competing with students from other colleges. I think if an inter-college event is like the World Cup, I think the intra-college event is like the IPL. I think sometimes it's even more intense than the inter-college event. So as I said, I think we're in general technology, and we are in a transitional period. I think today when internet and communication, mass communication is playing a major part in all of our lives. From my side, I think the reason I'm here, I made this film called Kadalai Sodappavadu Eppadi because of this short film called Kadalai Sodappavadu Eppadi, and the reason it reached out to so many people was because of technology, and because of internet and Facebook and YouTube. People got to watch it, and now it's been made into a full-length feature. So as the director was telling me even before this function, we wanted to use this visual medium, in a more useful way. It has different dimensions when the purpose differs for a visual medium as to how it is used. So I think in your case, I think he was even saying even in his management speeches and all that he uses films like Lagan to put out his point, and it works out even more effectively. I think there's a short film competition in this event as well in Infest as well, and I think a lot of engineering students are starting to take up cameras and shoot a short film, and I think it's a good healthy trend because the visual medium is a very strong medium to put out your ideas, whatever ideas it may be. It may not be a proper film or a work of fiction. It can be any idea. I think the best way right now to spread ideas and to take out concepts and spread it to people is through the visual medium and through internet, through social networking sites. I think it's changed our lives completely. Today, in the film side, I think for publicity and to reach out through people, I think the internet is the best way for us. Right from Shah Rukh Khan film to my Kajol Sir, we depend on internet and viral marketing to take a product to people. So I think you should start using this medium that's very easily available right now. You can pick up your cell phone and shoot something and edit it with your system at home and just put it out on Facebook. And the medium has developed so much, and I think we should start using it in whatever way that is useful to you and whatever way things can be brought out. And Sir was saying that the 50th year of NITG is coming up, and as Sir said, how nice would it be to document your college lives and put it out on screen yourself. I think the college students, you yourself are the best people to shoot your own lives and what you go through and show it to people. And I think you should think about doing something like that for your 50th year celebrations. I think you should make a film on your college, about life in the college, and probably screen it to people and feel proud about yourselves. I think a healthy trend of change is happening. I think a lot of there's been a lot of all engineering college culturals are starting to have short film competitions, and a lot of good talent I think seems to be hidden in these engineering colleges. I think waiting to be tapped and discovered. So my simple advice or whatever, just something to say to these people who are budding short filmmakers or filmmakers in this crowd. They can be anywhere. I think it need not be. I think educated people need to come into into media and to films. I think a little more it will change the whole perspective. I think so. Just because you have the technology is there, you can easily shoot a short film or a documentary or whatever, a proper video. But I think content is king. You should it's very important what you say, and how you say it is secondary, but it's important what you say. So think and content is very important, and though you have the technical advancements, it just makes us feel a little more responsible. We need to be a little more responsible because it's accessible and so much. You can just put out your thoughts on Facebook or Twitter and everybody can see it, and you can create a movement, you can spread ideas. So I think we need to take that responsibility and start using this medium to spread out good messages and good ideas. And I hope you guys have fun the next 4 days, and I'm really happy to be here. I'm actually, I studied in Trichy. My schooling happened in Trichy actually. So I studied in campaign engineering school, and coming back to Trichy now after a long time, it's quite nostalgic actually. It's the first time I'm coming to Trichy after my film release. And Trichy is always a part of me. It's made me what I am today actually, my character, my build and all that. So it's nice to be here. I would definitely like to come here again and again. And have fun guys. Thank you for having me. Thanks.